Let's have a look at this aspect of financial maths or arithmetics, whatever you want to call that, percentage discount. A pair of running shoes normally costs €140. In a sale, they cost 93.8. Work out percentage discount in the cell. When we have to work out percentage, we always think about the fraction. Now, the question is, what do I put on top of the fraction? What do I put at the bottom of the fraction? Because from the fraction, we change fraction to decimal, and then we change decimal to percentage. So in the case of discount, we are looking at old price minus the new price. That will give me the discount, and therefore we compare that to the old price. So the old price in this case is 140, the new price is 93.80, and that is divided by the old price 140. Why do we compare to the old price? Because the idea of discount is in comparison to the old price, not the new one. The new one is lower, but we are saying in light of the old price. And then we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we get that this decimal of 0.33. And to change decimal to percentage, we either multiply it by 100 or we move that decimal 2 places, and therefore we get 33%. And it doesn't matter what area of maths you are dealing with. Once in your question you are saying to work out, find out, calculate percentage, you have to think about fraction. Yeah, it depending on the context, that's what we're going to have. That's how we're going to build that fraction.